Hi there. Today I'm doing a little Christmas in July and also Temu, using Temu products, using a little bit of Dollar Tree I think, and using our scraps, using strips from our scraps. And I'm going to make bag toppers, embellishments. You can use these for a lot of different things. So the first thing is just get your strips out. They have to be kind of long, so from the long end of the page. And then I don't have a sewing machine, so I just use either, when I am ruffling them, I just use either glue, which I use glue on this one, or I use staples, which I use staples on this one. And I was going to just staple the rest of this here so you could see. And you can use a big stapler. Doesn't have to be this little tiny attacher one. I just had silver staples in there and I wanted silver on here, so I used that. I had rose gold in the other one. So all you do, and you can even leave it straight. So if you just wanted, once you ruffle the back one, you don't have to ruffle the next one. You just make it into like a banner shape, and you could leave it straight too. And you can ruffle them different ways. But you could just leave that straight and start like that. So, but you can ruffle them different ways. You can just ruffle them, just start bending them like that and kind of ruffle them. And it doesn't matter if they go straight or go like this. Kind of being curved a little bit is good, because it gives it a little bit of dimension. Or you can do the fancy one, which I just learned. And you can go all the way through, and you could glue that or you could staple that. Just start stapling it. Try to get two at once and start stapling it, because a lot of that's going to be covered up. Or you can do the fancy one, which is you go one time this way and then one time the other way, under. One time over this way and one time under this way. And it makes a banner like this one with two, I don't know what you call that, but I just saw them recently and I thought I can make that, so I tried it. And that's kind of a cool, ruffly thing to do. And then next, you just take some Dollar Tree or Temu crepe paper. I got these from the Dollar Tree. And you make your rosettes. And there's a lot of videos on how to make the rosettes. You could use these in junk journaling because they're very thin. So I made some little ones and I doubled them up. Like this is more than one layer. And this is like 4 layers. I went around twice. This is just one layer, one thin layer. And then I was trying to see how much different colors would look like together. So not sure how well that turned out. But I liked it on this one. Thought that was cute. But then you just basically put one in the middle and start building, and you're going to glue this stuff down. I'm just going to like show you what I would do. I won't glue it all here in the interest of time. And then I have a digital that I love, and it's Luna Blue. I'll leave a link for it. And I just printed it on cardstock, and I cut out the different Christmassy things on it, the different presents and things. So I'm going to use that on the top, like so. And then, if you've seen my other video, I had this die from Temu that made the word Merry, and I would put that there like that. And you might even like add a little thread behind there, or add a little mesh behind there if you wanted to embellish it just a little bit more. And then 2 more things from Temu. I got this in a mix. It had stars and bows, but I think they look like little snowflakes. So I would put that on there. And then I also got this last year from Temu, like 10 for $1 of these little charms, and I thought I'd set that right there. Now what you do is you glue that all down, and then you take another piece of paper, just like this cardstock that I was showing you, and you just cut a square however big you want your bag topper to be, and you fold it in half, and then you set this on top of it, and you have yourself a cute little bag topper. But I've been making these. This is just fun. This is almost like collaging in the side of a junk journal page. So pretty easy, just using your scraps. And you can also just go real small. You could just build this. So if you took a punch and you got a circle and you put that under there, and you don't have to do the rest of that. Or you could make a smaller little ruffle and start in the middle and just use the rosette as your base. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do that with your scraps and things. So anyways, this is one of my Christmas in July series from things that I've gotten from Temu and Dollar Tree, and hopefully it inspires you to make some cute little Christmas things. And I hope you're having a really good day, and thank you so much for stopping by.